5 reasons to use aloe vera for skin care. Aloe vera is superb for moisturizing the skin along with being anti-inflammatory and relieving discomfort. It is terrific for calming skin inflammation. You may have use of aloe to soothe sunburnt skin, however, did you know you can use of aloe vera for skin care to relieve lots of various other symptoms? Aloe Vera Leaf Gel has excellent healing properties. The gel can be used on the surface for skin problems, and also its juice can be taken internally for some digestive problems. Now I will tell you 5 methods to use aloe vera for skin treatment which heal the skin and assist with skin troubles like acne, dry skin, inflammations or burns. It is an easy and natural remedy which we should always have at home. Aloe vera is a perennial and really common plant in hot climates. It has been used by people for thousands of years as a result of its medicinal properties. It is easy to grow at home. The plant is abundant in enzymes, antioxidants, amino acids to name a few. You can easily apply the gel directly from the leaf to the skin. The gel can be purchased at a pharmacy or health food store. I recommend that you buy a product that contains as little as possible of anything other than aloe vera. This is how you use aloe vera for skin care. 1. Moisturizes without leaving skin oily. The gel is suitable for hydrating all skin types. Mix the gel with oil if your skin is completely dry. For other skin types, the gel can be used as to moisturize the skin and prevent it from becoming oily. The glycosaminoglycan in aloe vera brings moisture to the skin and additionally makes it an excellent all-natural lube. The gel can be used well in intimate locations and also as a lubricating substance in sexual intercourse. 2. Makes skin smooth. When you want smooth your skin quickly and also naturally, aloe vera is the right product for you. The sterols contained therein are effective in relieving inflammation and pain. The gel can be used for burns, rashes and after shaving. The gel calms irritation and also helps the skin to revitalize as well as give a fresh feeling to the skin. There are several reasons to grow aloe vera at home or keep the gel in your medication cabinet. 3. It cleans up and also removes acne. Aloe vera is a great skin cleanser. Its enzymes exfoliate the skin delicately. Peeling gets rid of dead skin cells, leaving the skin moist. Along with purification, aloe vera has antibacterial, antimicrobial and also antimycotic properties. Therefore, it can be used to decrease skin infections as well as lower acne. 4. Maintain and renew. Aloe vera speeds up skin healing. Many treatments use rose hips with the gel. This is a great combination and does not cause scars. Plant hormones in aloe vera speed up the growth of skin cells. For best results, use regularly. Apply the gel to the affected area as soon as possible, several times during the day, until the area has recovered. 5. Revitalize. This herb maintains your skin looking young. Maintains skin moist. Old and wrinkly skin indicates a lack of hydration. Nourished skin is flexible as well as wrinkles are not formed as quickly. Helps skin regeneration. Continuous regeneration of skin cells prevents skin aging. High in antioxidants, they fight against free radicals. I would certainly like to mention that the gel can be applied to the whole body as well as the face. The skin can be treated with a mix of aloe vera and the oil of your choice, coconut, almond, jojoba etc. Regular use of aloe vera helps prevent dryness, scars as well as rash. The gel is well absorbed by rubbing the skin, leaving it moist and does not feel greasy. Thank you for watching. I hope you found some good tips to use aloe vera. If you are also interested in losing weight, please click the link in the description and find out what is the best weight loss solution program for 2020.